this is my other review that I'm doing for 2025, my second review actually. So if you see that the outfit is the same, I'm doing 2 videos in one, baby. That's how you knock them out the park. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. All right. Okay, I got the same clip and whichever. For this review, I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. Now on here it says it is up to 36 hours wear, defy transfer. Okay, and there's a lot of information on the back, so please bear with me as I read the instructions or whatever it says about this product on the back part. It says makeup setting spray, which we all know that. Our first setting spray that makes your makeup defy transfer. Locks in makeup wear up to 36 hours. And there has been so many other brands that's been saying 24 hours. There's been a lot of setting sprays I've had in the past that has been saying 24 hours. This only is for 1 day. But this one, they're saying it's going to be for 1.5 days, which no one wears a makeup realistically that long. But that means it's going to stay on. And it says on here, waterproof, sweat resistant, clothes resistant, smudge resistant, phone resistant, which every girl, like especially in the summertime and you want your face to be beat in the right manner and you go into a pool party, you want your makeup to be waterproof. Or if you're going to the beach, you want to throw a little something on your face, you want your face to be waterproof. Sweat, I mean, that's for the girls that like to go to the gym and like have their makeup done up. All right. That is for you girlies. Clothes resistant, that's for someone like myself that wears like turtlenecks, and I wear coats in the winter time, and I'm someone that gets easily cold. So I like my coats up to my face, okay? And I've noticed that a lot of my coats have been getting messed up around the collar area because all the setting sprays I've had in the past have not been transfer resistant. They've transferred from my face onto my collar, but my face be looking good though, so don't think that it just transferred and I just look weird. Okay, smudge resistant and then phone resistant. You know, like when you're on the phone with somebody, especially like us, we all have smartphones, and then when you hang up, you see all the makeup on there. So L'Oreal is saying that this setting spray will resist all of that, okay? And it also says micro diffusing system, lightweight, non-sticky, won't mark or ruin makeup, a natural finish, okay? I've noticed lately too that there's been a lot of setting sprays that are now natural finishes, which I feel like, again, the makeup industry is taking a turn for more natural beauty. Hence them saying natural finish. So I feel like everyone is going for the natural feel of makeup, like how makeup should look and how makeup should feel on the face. But I'm going to try this out. It says for the instructions. I mean, I have a little ding right there. You know, I mean, I'm like, these people be throwing people things around. Instructions: shake well before use. Hold spray 12 inches away from face and spray in a circular motion for even distribution. Keep eyes and mouth closed. Wipe excess product. Do not intentionally inhale. In case of irritation, rinse immediately with water, which we all know how to work a setting spray. But the point behind it is you're supposed to hold it like 12 inches, so like a foot away from your face, and then you spray it in a circular motion. So I'm thinking, I'm going to make a prediction from now. I predict that this is mimicking the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. That is what I'm predicting, where it just continuously sprays until you let go, and then you have to go in and with a fan, which I have my handy dandy fan right here, which you have to fan and you have to dry it. That's what I'm predicting, but I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get going with this review. So far, I do like it. And I think this is good for, like, those of us with long nails. Even though, like, my nails are kind of, I'm going over. But I might go sideways just to see. But let me see this spray. Oh. It smells pretty good, too. But now, I need to spray it on my face. So we're going to spray it on my face. And then we're going to hit it with a fan. So I'm not going to, I'm going to have my eyes closed. I'm going to have my mouth closed because they saying, don't inhale. Don't, like, every setting spray's been saying that, but you make accidents. But let me just spray this here. Let me shake well first because they say shake well. So I know all the remnants, like all the good stuff is at the bottom. All right. Now we're going to spray. Okay. So I honestly did not need this fan, but I felt a little wet. Here are my initial thoughts. That was very quick. So I think in the future, I might go over it twice. Like go 1, two, like go from the center and then go all the way around, because we tend to forget these sides right here and like right at the bottom part right here. We tend to forget those parts of our face when we are setting our face. But I do like that it is a spray, and I had a feeling that it was a dupe to the Morphe. I had a feeling, because it's continuous, keyword continuous spray until you let go. So it was very quick, and I did take like a little, and I was like, whew, like it is pretty intense. So if you are someone that you're gonna forget and you're going to breathe, this may not be for you. But if you want to try it for yourself, I say try it. I like the experience. It is pretty cool, pretty chill. All right, I mean, I am gonna try one side of the paper towel or tissue. Let me see. Okay, it is a little transfer proof, so I'm gonna go over it again, because I feel like you have to really go over it. All right, this time I'm just gonna go in my hand, because this dries pretty quick. This reminds me of another one that I have. It is I got it free from Influenster. It is the Fenty Beauty You Mist Makeup Extending Setting Spray. It reminds me of that, where like it dries pretty quick. I also like that too, that like the makeup brands are now making, oh, I could taste it in my mouth, but a lot of makeup brands are now making setting sprays to dry quicker, which is perfect for someone like me, because I have work and I like to go. Like, I don't want to have the fan on my face, and then I gotta wait until it's dry, you know. So I like this by far. I mean, I think it is definitely Tay Rosé approved. I mean, I feel like the more you spray on, the better. So I did spray it on. So I mean, that was the first time. We're gonna try it again. Okay, yeah. So it really is transfer proof, and it was pretty affordable too. I believe it is like $9 something. Do not quote me on it. What I'm going to do is I will link this in the description box below, so that way you have another affordable version besides the Morphe on what you would like to purchase. All right. So I mean, thank you for watching this review. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more reviews, subscribe to my channel. And let me know your product review requests regarding beauty. What you would like for me to try. All right. Do not forget to click on the notification bell also, so that way you are on the alert as to when my reviews and other videos are out. Make sure that you check out the previous videos that are coming up next. That includes an episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé. And I will even tell you too, like, my lip combo alert when I do have it on, and like which eyeshadow I use. So you definitely want to subscribe for that. All right, bye.